Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to change the language in your Google Pixel 9 Pro. So to the separation, slide up, go to the settings, then go to the system. And there you have a language, so click on it. And from here you can choose the system language. In this case, you need to add the language. So let's try to this with this English. And we have to click on it and push it up to change it. Voila, you have changed your language in your phone. So back to this, and let's try to change on the English. That's right. You can also change the app language if you wish, and you can change the regional preference of your phone. And that's it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.